According to legend, St. Lucy brought food and aid to Christians hiding in the Roman catacombs, wearing a candlelit wreath on her head to light her way, leaving both hands free to carry as much food as possible. Lots of countries celebrate St. Lucy's Day, usually with young girls dressing up as St. Lucy and making cookies and saffron buns for their family. My husband's side of the family has Swedish ancestry, so we started doing a low-key version of some of the traditions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a St. Lucy crown using supplies you probably already have laying around your house. And if you stick around till the end, I'll show you another easy do-it-yourself crown option using a $2 craft kit I found at my local Hobby Lobby. Our family keeps it pretty simple. The girls wear a St. Lucy crown. We sometimes make Swedish meatballs or our version of St. Lucy buns, which is just refrigerated cinnamon rolls, which we sometimes unwind and form into the traditional S shape if we're feeling ambitious. And we'll usually end the night by driving around the neighborhood looking at Christmas lights. Sometimes it's one of those things, sometimes it's none of those things, and that's totally okay. When my girls were little, I made them crowns out of construction paper, and this year they wanted to make new ones since their old ones ripped. So for this project, all you will need is some paper. I used different colors of construction paper, or you can color your own, some scissors, a pencil, and glue. The first thing you need to do is cut a piece of paper into a long, thin strip. This will be the part of the crown that wraps around the head. You might have to glue more than one piece together. Make sure you press down firmly on the paper wherever you add glue, and you can even wait to glue your crown until you have all of your pieces cut out and glued onto this strip. Whenever you're ready to glue that strip together, whether it's after you glue all the pieces on or you just want to get a head start, you can wrap that piece around your child's head and then you can glue the pieces together. You just want to make sure that you press down firmly and you give that paper some time to secure itself to the other side. Next, you want to cut out some candles, and your candles can be any color. I usually just do a simple rectangle shape. For the flames of my candle, I take a smaller size of construction paper, and I like to draw out the shape of my flame above the candle. So I use a pencil, and I kind of do two curved lines, one on the left side, one on the right side, and they connect to each other in a point at the top. I cut out this flame, and to make it simple, I can either cut around the flame and use it as a stencil for drawing out all of my other candle flames, or I can even just take the flame and put it on a stack of similarly sized pieces of paper and cut them all out at once to create a stack. So once you get all your flames cut out, you can then take it and you can glue them directly on top of your candlesticks that we cut out earlier. We also want to cut out some leaves, and to make the leaves, I use a pencil to draw out my design on green paper. The curves of each side of the leaf remind me of 3 smile lines connected together, so I'm adding in little pencil dots to kind of space out the curves of the leaves, and I turn my paper around and do the same curves on the opposite side. To save time, I either trace the leaf I drew over and over, or I cut a bunch of pieces of green construction paper about the same size as my first leaf, put those pieces of paper in a pile, and then I cut around my pattern to make multiple leaves at once. I usually save the scraps in case I need them later, and once all of your pieces are cut out, you can start gluing everything to your crown. Feel free to add any additional decorations. Another option, if you don't want to cut out your own pieces, is to pick up a kit like this one I found at Hobby Lobby. The kit is actually for making 6 Advent wreaths, but I grabbed one because all of the pieces are perfect for a St. Lucy crown. One kit costs $3.99, but Hobby Lobby has all of their Christmas stuff on sale for 50% off, so it ended up being less than $2. You get 6 pieces of green foam, lots of pink and purple candles with foam pieces of wax and flames that you can press on, holly berries, and stickers with the names of the Advent candles. The great thing about this kit is everything comes pre-cut or perforated. Other than the green foam, everything is stick-on the back. You just remove the sticker paper and press it onto the foam to get it to stick, and it stays really well. There were some white double-sided sticker strips too, and we used those to attach the green foam pieces to each other to make the crowns. If you don't have enough sticker strips or you want to put the candles behind the green foam like one of my daughters did, you could simply use tape or glue to secure the pieces, and it was super easy and they turned out super cute. So does your family celebrate St. Lucy's Day? I would love to hear what you do and see how your crowns turned out. Feel free to tag me on social media and know that I post new Catholic-inspired art tutorials here on my channel every week. Another way that you can help support my channel is through my Buy Me a Coffee page and art supply wish list. I want to remind you that you are loved, God loves you very much, and He loves your artwork very much. Thank you so much for following along. Happy St. Lucy Day, and I'll see you in another video.